Hey everyone, Spencer with Malibu Parts. Owning a Malibu or Axis is one of the best experiences. They provide a great way to get out on the water and make memories with your family and friends that will last a lifetime. The best way to make sure those memories are always good is to service your boat and engine at the proper intervals. Servicing your boat may seem like a daunting and expensive task, but I'm here to show you that it can be easy, inexpensive, and you might even have some fun along the way. Let's take a look at one of the more regular services your engine will need, the oil change. Malibu recommends changing your oil every 50 hours. For those who run the engine at higher RPMs more frequently or are at higher elevation, you may want to consider changing the oil even sooner. Changing the oil on your M Series engine can be done with just a few tools and will take only about an hour or two. Before you start, make sure you have the correct oil filter, and tools. The correct oil to use is a full synthetic 5W30 Dexos 1 Gen 2 oil. The M Series engines can hold about 8 quarts of oil, but depending on how much you suck out, you may only need between 5 to 6 quarts. The M Series engines have used 2 different filters since being used in Malibu and Axis boats. There is the first gen filter, which runs just a little taller, and the second gen filter, which is just a little shorter. The second gen filter started being used around May of 2020. You can get your oil change kit with the needed oil and filter on our website at malibuparts.com. If you are not sure which filter you need, reach out to one of us and we will be happy to help you figure out the right one. You won't need many tools to complete this service. Make sure you have an adjustable wrench, an oil wrench, and an oil sucker. Let's get started. Step 1. Start the engine and get it up to temp. If your boat is not in the water, you can use a fake lake hose attachment to get the water to the engine. Step 2. Locate the oil drain and unscrew the cap. Step 3. Insert your oil sucker into the oil drain line and start sucking out all the oil. You can suck the oil out when the engine is cool, but it will be much faster if the oil is warm. Step 4. Once you have sucked out as much oil as you can, remove the cap of the oil filter housing using an adjustable wrench or an oil filter wrench. Step 5. Remove the oil filter cartridge. You can use the box of the new filter to put the old filter in to keep things as clean as possible. Step 6. Remove the old O-ring. Step 7. Install the new O-ring. Step 8. Install the new oil filter cartridge into the cap. Step 9. Put the cap with the filter attached back into the housing. Step 10. Hand tighten the cap, then secure it with the wrench. Step 11, remove the oil fill cap located on top of the engine. Step 12, insert the funnel into the oil fill slot. Step 13, start with putting about 4 quarts of oil and then check your dipstick. Step 14, if more oil is needed, add about a half a quart of oil and check your dipstick. Repeat until the oil is within the max fill line of the dipstick. Step 15, remove the funnel. Step 16, insert the oil fill cap back into place. Step 17, run the engine up to temp and check oil pressure. Make sure if the boat is out of the water to hook it up to a fake lake before starting the engine. And just like that, you're ready to hit the water. Oil changes are a simple process, but one that will have a big impact on the life and condition of your engine. So make sure to complete your oil change so your time spent on the boat is spent making amazing memories you and your crew will remember forever. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to check us out at malibuparts.com to get everything you need to keep your boat in tip-top shape and stocked with all the latest boards, jackets, and accessories. Also, for more how-tos and great boating content, please follow us on our social media accounts and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Can't wait to see you on the water.